Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by RK Sir. Now we have to solve question number 6 and 7, exercise 10.1. Question number 6 is given that the length of a tangent from a point A at distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. Let first we draw a diagram from the given information. Let we suppose this is a circle. मार्कर नहीं चल रहा भैया. Its center O. This is the 4 unit. The length of a tangent from a point A at distance 5 cm. This is the 5 cm. 5 cm from center is 4 cm. This is B O. 4 cm. This is value find here. Now in this figure AB is a tangent and OB is the radius. So angle ABO is equal to 90 degree. Angle between radius and tangent. So in a right angle triangle ABO, we use PGT. So according to this angle, this will be hypotenuse. Or in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square will be equal to the perpendicular square plus base square. So 5 square is equal to the 4 square plus b square. 25, 5 square will be 25 and 4 square will be 16 plus b square. Here 25 minus 16 is equal to b square. B square in b is equal to root of 9. B is equal to root of 3 into 3 factor of the 9. So B will be 3 centimeter. So the radius of a circle is 3 centimeter. Clear? Now we have to solve question number 7. Two concentric circles are of radius 5 centimeter. Solve. First we draw a diagram in the given information. So let me suppose circle C1 is this is the circle C1 and this is the circle C2. This is the C2 and this is the C1. This is center O of both circles. Clear? This is the chord of the big circle which touch at point P. AB is the chord of big circle and P is the point in which smaller circle touch. And this is the radius of smaller circle 3 centimeter and this is the bigger circle radius. This is the radius of the big circle. Clear? Now given C1 and C2 are two circles with same center O. Same center O. And OP is equal to 3 centimeter. Radius of smaller circle and OA equal to OB is equal to 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter and this is also 5 centimeter is the radius of big circle, and AB is the chord of big circle. Clear? Find length of AB. Proof. OP is the perpendicular of AB, since AB is the tangent and OP is the radius. So we have two angle APO is equal to angle OPB is equal to 90 degree. Now in a right angle triangle APO we have to in a right angle triangle. Now in a right angle triangle APO we use PGT. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is 5 square is equal to 3 square plus b square. 25, 5 square will be 25 is equal to 9 plus b square. B is equal to 25 minus 9, root of 25 minus 9. B is equal to root of 16. We have to find factors of 16, so it will be root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. B is equal to first pair and second pair. So 2 multiply 2. B is equal to 4 centimeter. That means this will be equal to 4 centimeter. Again, similarly, in a right angle triangle BPO, PB equal to 4 unit, 4 centimeter. So the total length of chord AB is equal to AP plus PB. So 4 plus 4 centimeter is equal to 8 centimeter. Clear? Thank you for watching video.